In this video, we're going to customize Windows 11 and give it a beautiful, clean, and modern glass-style transparent look. This is a complete step-by-step guide, so there's no need to rush. Just sit back, relax, and follow along. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to apply a smooth, see-through glass effect to almost every part of Windows 11. This includes the desktop, File Explorer, Start menu, Taskbar, Notification Center, Live Wallpaper, and even the control panel. The final result will look premium, minimal, and very eye-catching. To achieve this glass-style interface, we'll be using a free customization tool, powerful yet lightweight tool that lets you modify different parts of Windows 11 using community-created mods. The best part is that these mods are open source, which means they're transparent, trusted, and safe to use. Before we move forward, let's go! Step 1. Add a live wallpaper. Alright, my friends, before we continue, let's quickly complete the first step, which is adding a live animated wallpaper. I've shared a Google Drive link in the description where you can download the live wallpapers and required assets. Make sure to download them first. Now open the Microsoft Store on your PC. In the search bar, type Lively Wallpaper and install the app. Once it's installed, open Lively Wallpaper. On the left side, click the plus button to add a new wallpaper. Browse to the folder where you downloaded the wallpaper from the Google Drive link. Select the live wallpaper file, give it any name you like, and click Apply. And that's it. Your live animated wallpaper is now active. As you can see, the anime wallpaper looks super clean, smooth, and decent. It makes the glass and transparent effects look even better. Now that the wallpaper is set, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Download and install Windhawk. First, open your web browser and visit the official Windhawk website. Click the download button and wait for the installer file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, double-click the .exe file. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the installation process. It only takes a few moments. After installation, open Windhawk from the Start menu. You can also launch it from the System tray by double-clicking the Windhawk icon. This will open the main Windhawk dashboard. Step 3. Explore Windhawk mods. Inside Windhawk, click on the Explore section. This is where you can find different mods and customize Windows the way you want. We'll start by making File Explorer transparent because this change instantly improves the overall look of Windows. Step 4. Transparent File Explorer. In the search bar, type Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Click on the mod to open its details page. Here you can see how the mod works, view screenshots, and even check the source code if you want. When you're ready, click on Install. You'll see a warning message asking you to proceed with caution. Review the details, and once you're comfortable, accept the risk and continue. After a few seconds, the mod will be installed. Now open the mod's settings. Go to the Theme section and select Translucent Explorer 11. Click Save Settings, open File Explorer, and take a moment to notice the change. You'll see a smooth, clean, glass-like transparency effect. Step 5. Glass effect for Windows. Next, we'll apply transparency and blur to other windows. Go back to the Explore section and search for Translucent Windows. Install the mod and wait for it to finish. Open the mod settings. Enable Windows Theme Custom Rendering. Enable Windows Theme Accent Colorizer. Scroll down to the Effects section. From the drop-down menu, select Accent Blur Behind. In the Color Blend section, enter the required values as shown. Enable Immersive Dark Mode title bars and extend the effects to the entire window. Scroll back up and click Save Settings. At this point, your windows should look soft, blurred, and glassy, giving Windows 11 a very premium feel. Step 6. Transparent Start menu. Now let's move on to the Start menu. Search for Windows 11 Start menu styler and install the mod. Open the settings. Go to the Theme section and select Translucent Start menu. Save the settings. Now open the Start menu slowly and notice the difference. The transparent effect blends beautifully with your wallpaper. Step 7. Transparent taskbar. Next, we'll customize the taskbar. Search for Windows 11 Taskbar Styler and install it. Once installed, open the settings. In the Theme section, choose Translucent Taskbar. Click Save. Now your taskbar perfectly matches the glass style theme. Step 8. Notification Center and Control Panel. To complete the setup, we'll apply transparency to the Notification Center. Search for Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. Install the mod and open its settings. Select Translucent Shell from the theme options and save the settings. Now you'll see a consistent transparent look across the Notification Center and Control Panel as well. Step 9. Enable Dark Mode. For the best visual experience, I highly recommend using Dark Mode. Open Windows Settings. Go to Personalization. Click on Colors and make sure Dark Mode is enabled. This makes the glass effect look even more elegant and polished. Performance and safety. If you're worried about performance, don't be. Windhawk is very lightweight and uses only a small amount of system resources. You can even verify this in Task Manager. Disable or remove mods. If you ever want to disable the glass effect, simply right-click the Windhawk icon in the system tray and exit the app. You can also disable individual mods using the toggle buttons inside Windhawk. And if you want, you can completely remove any mod with just one click. And that's it. You've successfully transformed your Windows 11 into a clean, modern, glass-style interface. If this video helped you, please give it a like. Subscribe to the channel for more Windows customization and tech tutorials, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.